Welcome back. In today's video we will share the remaining portion of science-related MCQs from the book of Class 7. Let's get started. Chapter 8 Transmission of Heat. The motion of atom and molecule results in a formation of energy called heat energy. Ways in which heat is transferred from one place to another are called modes of heat transformation. How many modes of heat transformation are there? 3. Conduction, convection and radiation. Transfer of internal energy by collision of particles and movements of electron within the body is called heat conduction. The microscopic particle in heat conduction can be molecules, atoms and electron. Kinetic and potential energy are gently known as internal energy. Heat conduction only occurs in solid. Conduction transfer heat from high temperature to low temperature. The solid that conduct heat are called good conductor of heat. The solid that do not conduct heat are called bad conductor of heat, insulators. Which is considered the best conductor of heat? Copper. A mode of heat transfer that occur by the mass motion of fluid is called heat convention. Heat convention only occurs in liquid and gases. Convention occur due to the movement of fluid molecules. How many type of breezes occurs along the coastal area due to convention? 2. Land breeze and sea breeze. A wind system characterized by a flow from land to water at night is called land breeze. A wind system characterized by a flow from sea to land in daytime is called sea breeze. A continuous and directed movement of sea water generated by number of forces is called ocean current. Heat convention occur between water and air. A transfer of heat through waves is called radiation. To radiate mean to send out. The heat received on Earth from sun is a result of radiation. A special type of bottle in which hot liquid remain hot and cold item remain cold for a long time is called vacuum flask. Chapter 9 Dispersion of Light. Change in the speed and deflection of light rays due to change of medium is called refraction of light. The light travel faster in vacuum. How many laws of refraction of light are there? 2. Laws of refraction are also called Snell's law. Who discovered laws of refraction of light in 1621? Willibrord Snell. The angle of incidence for which the angle of refraction is 900 is called critical angle. Critical angle is denoted by C. What is critical angle of water? 48.8. The splitting of light into its constituent component is called dispersion of light. Rainbow is the best example of spectrum of white light. Rainbow is formed due to refraction of light. White light is composed of 7 colors. Primary color of light are red, green and blue. Ratio between the speed of light in vacuum and its speed in any other medium is called refractive index, N. Chapter 10 Sound waves. Waves having compression and refractions with movements of particles parallel to direction of wave propagation are called longitudinal wave. Seismic and sound waves are example of longitudinal wave. Waves having crests and troughs with movements of particles perpendicular to the direction of wave propagation are called transverse wave. Radio and light wave are example of transverse wave. In transverse waves, the distance between crests and trough is called wavelength. Distance between the rest position of moving particle to the top of crest and bottom of trough is termed as amplitude. The number of vibration produced by a vibrating body in a second is called frequency. Frequency is measured in hertz, Hz. The distance a sound wave cover in a unit time is called speed. Speed measured in meter per second. What is speed of sound in air? 343 meter per second. What is speed of sound in diamond? 12,000 meter per second. The highness and lowness of sound is called pitch. High frequency of sound wave resulted into high pitched. Low frequency of sound wave resulted into low pitched. The degree of sensation of sound produced in human ear is called loudness. Loudness depends on of the sound waves amplitude. What is audible frequency range of human ear? 20 Hz to 20 kHz. Chapter 11 Circuit and Electric Current. The ratio of flow of charges at certain point is called current. Electric current is measured in Ampere. A. How many types of electric current are there? 2. Series circuit and parallel circuit. If all components are connected one after other in a single loop, it is called series circuit. Which circuit provides only one path for flow of current? Series circuit. If a component are connected are two or more loop, then it is called parallel circuit. When Thomas Edison invented bulb? 1879. The first power plant to distribute electricity in New York was developed by Thomas Edison. Difference of potential between a 2-point in a circuit or battery is called voltage. Potential difference, voltage, is measured in volts, V. The hindrance to the flow of current is called resistance. Who discovered the relationship between voltage and resistance in 1827? George Simon Ohm. Relation between voltage and resistance is V equals IR. MCB stands for miniature circuit breaker. ELCB stands for earth leakage circuit breaker. Chapter 9, Investing the Space. How many zeros are there in 1 billion? 9. Stars are made up of hydrogen and helium. The closest star to Earth is Sun. Which is next closest star to Earth? Alpha Centauri. Which stars are coolest stars? Red star, 3000 centigrade. Which stars are hottest stars? Blue stars, 25,000 centigrade. Betelgeuse, Arcturus, Polaris and Vega are examples of stars. A vast collection of stars, dust and gas which are bound together gravitationally as a unit is called galaxy. Our solar system is a part of Milky Way galaxy. Major types of galaxies are spiral, elliptical, lenticular and irregular. Milky Ways galaxy and Andromeda galaxy are spiral galaxies. How many light years the Earth and Sun are away from the center of Milky Way galaxy? 25,000 light years. How many years our solar system take to orbit around the Milky Way galaxy? 250 million years. Nebulae are made up of hydrogen, 97%, and helium, 3%. The first phase of star is known as protostar, 1 million years. The most stable part of star life is main sequence. What is third and fourth phase of star? Red giant and white dwarf. A region of space where matter has collapsed on itself is called black hole. We hope that this video has left you inspired, informed, or entertained in some way. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel to stay connected and be notified of future content.